Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We just finished eating these onions, so make sure y'all watch that video. Today we're gonna be making a beef tortellini like pasta. So before we get started, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take our ribeye. We just got one ribeye here. We're going to put some oil on it. Ain't even open. Then we just going to put a little kosher salt on it. This is a pretty thick steak, so it can handle the salt that I'm going to put on here. And y'all just kind of want to pat that in a little bit. Flip it over and do the same. And I usually like to let this sit for like 30 minutes before I start cooking it, because it draws out the water out of the steak. So it has been about 30 minutes. We're just going to pat dry the steak just to get some of the excess water out. Like that. Nothing too crazy. Flip it over and do the same. So we have our water boiling. We're just going to add some salt. I was thinking about adding some chicken bouillon, but I really don't feel like it. But you can add some chicken bouillon. These are the noodles we're using, y'all. Tortellini, 3 cheese. Alright, so we're just going to drop these noodles in. Water test. It's ready. So this is similar to how I cook my steaks anyway. We're going to put these in here. We're going to put it on for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And in the last minute, we're going to add some butter and some rosemary. We're going to remove this steak and we're going to let it rest on our cutting board. More oil. Add our onions in, saute these for like 2 to 3 minutes. And our garlic. Add our spinach. We're going to let this cook down. Okay, now that it's all wilted down, we're going to go ahead and add our heavy cream. Now we're going to add a little bit of this pasta water. We're going to let this get thick and see if we need some more. Add a little seasoning. Y'all, this is seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, black pepper. I think that's it. Now we're going to cut into this steak. We let this rest for 10 minutes, y'all, before you cut into any steak that you're going to eat. Yeah, y'all see the juice? Now we're just gonna cut it in pieces. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna add some Parmesan. Now it's really gonna start getting thick. Just mix that up real good. Let it get all acquainted with each other. All right, so now we're gonna add the steak bites back in. So if you want your steak cooked up a little more, you can finish cooking it in this pasta on low with a little lid on it if you want. Mine is done. We like ours like this. Parsley. We're gonna do a little Parmesan. And I'm not gonna get too crazy with the red peppers because I don't want it to be too spicy. Just a little. Alright, y'all, this is how it came out. Y'all know how I get down on my pastas. It's always creamy and very delicious and flavorful. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.